guys, welcome back to MJ and CJ Beauty. Today I'll be doing a little Sephora unboxing. I have taken it out of its shipping packaging so you can't see my address, and also to make sure all of my lovely little items are in here. I did also get this on their Christmas half price sale, so a lot of this is their Christmas items that were half price, so I'm very sorry if you're unable to get them. Also, just a little quick thing, if you hear any noises, I have my aircon on over here and my fan on over there. My house is all brick walls, so it gets quite hot in here and it's quite hot here in Adelaide. So I do have those on, and this is really the only room in the house that has an air conditioner, so it was the best I could do. And also, sorry about the lighting, it is terrible in here. Now quickly, I do have my phone here so I can tell you the prices of what I paid of them. Some of them were half price and some of them were full price. First off, we'll start with this cute Zoeva little bonbon cracker, which was $42, but I got it half price for $21, and it actually currently says sold out on the website as it was a stocking stuffer. But like, come on, how adorable is this little bonbon cracker? Just like, hey, and then you just twist it, take the little goodies out. Ooh, they wrap it and everything. That is just gorgeous. It's the caramel. Caramel something. I can't read very well today. Today's been a pretty hectic day. So I'm just going to unwrap this cute little bundle of joy. So it comes with these two gorgeous Zoeva brushes. So we've got a crease brush and a smoky shaper brush. I don't want to drop it on the floor. So just these cute little brushes, which I'm actually excited to try because I like the looks of the Zoeva deals, but they're just so expensive. So like I said in my other video, I do like to get a lot of trial size things, because who wants to buy something full price and then not like it? The other cute little thing that comes in it is the Christmas caramel little eyeshadow palette. Little cute. Like seriously, how adorable is it? Just take it out. I love these because they are perfect for traveling. Perfect for if you just want to like take makeup to a friend's house to like go out to town. But just these nice like terracotta-y nude colors. The lighting is so bad. I am so sorry, guys. But that's those there. So yeah, they just look so amazing. I love it. Okay, so we will sit those there on my little table I've got here. Now the next thing I've got is another limited edition item. It was the Tarte Here Today Gone to Mawai, I think is how you pronounce it. Color collection. It is limited edition and it is also out of stock. That was also part of the 50% off sale. So instead of $36, I got it for $18, I think. Sorry, maths in my head, not the best. So it's this cute little box. I'm not going to go into full detail because this isn't really a little bundle. I actually have 4 more things to show you guys. So you get the paint mascara by the Tarte, a lip paint, and you also get a shadow pot. So let's open this up and have a look-skies. Oh, my last one that came in a box like this came in like this cute wrapping. This one just comes nice and set like this. Now I'm pretty sure this paint pot, the chrome paint pot, is actually a full size. So I'm just going to flick through the Sephora website and find out what the full size is. But I have an odd feeling I may already have this color here, but I will show you the little paint pot. So this is in Park Ave Princess. And it's just like a pressed pigment. Like, it's just stunning. That'll be good for like an inner corner color, or over the lid color if you want to go like full like glam. Now let's quickly have a look on the I've gone into like the brands and we're checking out if I can get there, Tarte, and we'll go to their Sorry, I didn't really plan this very well. So a chrome paint pot comes in 3 grams. And this is 3 grams. So I paid a whole $19 for this whole bundle, and just alone this little tiny paint pot, this chrome paint pot, is $30. So this is the little chrome paint pot by itself. Sorry if this is backwards for you guys. Plus then on top of that, oh, I just closed out of all of it. Today is just not my day, is it? Plus then I'll show you, I'll go back into my order and I'll show you the little bundle that I did buy. So I got this little bundle. So yeah, that was the original price, and I got that for half that. So in all honesty, even if I did pay for that, that is still amazing for the price, because just like I said, the paint pot alone is $30. I feel like I'm rambling a lot, but that is okay. And I closed out of it again. What am I doing? Okay, so next on my list is another Zoeva. Actually, I was so excited. I got this for half price as well, so sadly it is sold out, but you never know, someone might be out there who brought it, swatched it and didn't like it, so they might be trying to get rid of it. But it is the Electric Eyes eyeshadow palette limited edition. It was half price from $42, so I only paid $21 for it, and it's this giant palette here. I am an eyeshadow freak. I've been trying to like change up my eyeshadow range and just try new things, because I'm a very nudish kind of person. But I'll just show you on here so you get a better image of it. This is what it looks like, and yeah, sadly it is sold out, but you never know, someone might be out there who wants a review on these. Now yes, if you would like any reviews on these products, please let me know and I will do a video about them. Just comment down below, let me know, and we'll just open this bad boy up. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, I like, oh, just stunning. My sister is probably going to be super jealous because she's always wanted a Zoeva palette. So yeah, that one was a really good deal. That one was super cheap. Sadly, I feel bad doing this video now that I think about it, because a lot of it was like limited edition, or now they're sold out. But I know you guys like these unboxing videos, and if you don't, I like talking to you guys, so who cares? The next thing on my list is the Becca Glow on the Go kit, which was $35, which they actually still have in stock. So I didn't get this one for half price, but it came with like a little travel size. So I think it came with a spotless skin perfector and a pressed as well. So you've got the liquid and the pressed, and I'm obsessed. So it comes in this cute little box. I'm getting ahead of myself. And then check out how small this tiny little Becca like highlighter is. My sister got the champagne pop one, and I think it's awesome because like I love highlighter, but like it's good if you could get, oh, I'm trying to get good light. It's good if you can get it in like a smaller version, because who's going to use all that highlighter? And then yeah, you got a little strobe stick as well. I might swatch this one for you guys. Why not? Go all out. Just nice. I feel so bad. The lighting is so bad. So maybe once this video is posted, I'll post a lovely little post on our possibly our Instagram page and our Facebook page, and I'll show you all like up close and in depth. If not, I will do I might do like a second video of like up close ones, since this is already at 8 minutes, and not everyone likes super long videos, so but I like to ramble a lot. I'm a very talkative person. The next thing I got is the Kat Von D Duo mini eyeliners. They were $29. They were also not on the half price sale. It was, a lot of it was like the Christmas items, but they come like, I thought I like eyeliner and I like trying new ones, because at the moment, as bad as it sounds and as much as I kick myself for it, I've actually been using an eBay eyeliner, and we don't talk about that sort of stuff on our channel due to the fact that you never know what chemicals they put into it, or how it's made, or just stuff like that. And I feel bad for using it, so I've been trying to find new ones, but I just find that they are, weirdly enough, the best. So you get these cute little ones. So you get the dagger and the liner. Like, this one is just adorable. And then this one is just her normal like waterproof liner that she has. So you've got the little, that's her normal waterproof one that Kat Von D does. And then the dagger one is kind of like, I don't know how you would explain it. It's kind of like, almost like a felt tip pen almost. Ooh, almost bent it. But I thought I'd try this because my sister had one through Australis. But I think they stopped selling that one, and it was just amazing. And last but not least, because I do have my little freebie I got as well, I also got the Kat Von D holographic transfer highlighter in the mini one, which was $20. People are going to kick me for paying that much, but I just couldn't resist. Like, this is the cute little packaging it comes in, and then we'll open the little packaging. Now, I will admit, I did swatch this one this morning when it came in the mail, because it came in the mail at 9:30 this morning, and I wanted to film straight away, but I couldn't because we had to go out. So it comes in this adorable packaging, like, oh, and then you flip it open, and it comes with a little mirror. Hi guys. And then you've got the lovely little pressed highlighter, but it says you can also use it as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow. So that's what it looks like. So like I said, I will be trying to get a different video of all of these because I feel so bad for the quality. I might actually film after this and put it at the end so that you guys can see it. And then my little freebie was these little samples of the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. So you get 5 little shades. Oh, terrible lighting once again. I wonder if the colors are on the inside. Yes, colors are on the inside. So let's open this. Okay, so I got Bow and Arrow, Lovecraft, Underage Red, Roxy, and my eyesight is really bad today. So yeah, I can't read the middle one, but I will admit that I'm not the best reader in the world. I do have dyslexia, so I struggle to read things. So if I do shorten things, like with some of the names, if I miss out words and stuff, I'm really sorry if you guys don't like that. It's just I do struggle with pronouncing certain words, so it's just easier for me to, if I'm filming and I don't have someone here to ask all the time, like, hey, how do you say this? It's easier for me to shorten it. So yeah, before I do my outro, I will pop in a clip of all of our little goodies so you can see it. So I'll film that on my phone and then I'll insert it so that you guys can see. But yeah, all up with the half price sale, I think it was with postage. Well, no, postage was free. So my order all up was $143. So that was pretty good. I was pretty impressed. I'm super in love with like my miniature highlighters, my little eyeliners. I love miniature things. I just think they're adorable. And then yeah, I can't wait to try out my electric eyes palette and the caramel palette, and I'm just so excited. So yeah, I will jump out of this video and I'll show you the lovely items up close, and then we'll jump back to the outro. Thanks guys. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry about all the rambling. I might add some funny little quotes even when I edit. A lot of ums today. And also, if you liked our video, please like, please subscribe, please check out our Instagram, our Facebook, hit the notification bell, and all of that fun stuff. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy. Please comment down below if you want to see anything new. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm really sorry for the bad lighting and the air conditioner and everything, but I'm still beginning and I'm still learning, and we really need to get a camera because at the moment I'm recording on my Samsung tablet, which I have to admit doesn't have bad quality, but it's not best for the lighting. So thanks guys, I'll see you next time.